I just hope there's no severe lightning. Other than that, I think we'll be just fine. Ditched work today. Hope the boss don't find out. But look where we are. Look where we are. I'm gonna sleep out here tonight. Still got, where are we at? Still got roughly 2 miles before we're to our camp. Let's keep moving. Come on, boy. Oh boy. All right, after an hour drive, a 2-hour hike with a 64-pound pack, I've made it to camp. Let me show you. See, that is the general direction of where we came from. And this is the little cove I like to hide in. As you can see, or as you probably noticed, I have been here several times throughout the years. This is my fire pit. This is my cooking rock. I've never seen anybody else out here. He loves it. Odin loves it. So essentially, we'll be spending the night out here. It's only like 3 in the afternoon. But this is where I put my tent. We have a little campfire. Right back there is where we use the restroom. But notice how clean I keep it around here. Right? When you go into the forest or the deserts or the canyons or the beaches, leave it how you found it. By the time I leave, that will be gone and that will be gone. I will keep the fire pit though. I will keep the fire pit when I'm gone because there's no rocks around here. I know that sounds ridiculous. There's no rocks around here and I had to go all the way over there, half a mile. Had to go a half a mile to that lava rock and take 2 at a time all the way back. It took me about 4 hours just to make a fire pit. But it's time to set up camp. Many of you might not know this, but you can smell elk and deer long before you see them. It's a very musky smell, and I can smell some. The wind's coming from the west, blowing east. So there's deer or elk over there. I can smell them. They can't smell me. Guaranteed they know I'm here though. 100% they know I'm here. I guess now would be a good time to kind of run through what I bring with me other than food, extra clothes, the tent, sleeping bag. Other than that stuff, the essentials I'm not coming out here without. All right. First and foremost, protection. You have to have it. There are crazy people out here and there are mean animals. Fire. I always, day trips or overnight trips, I always carry these 2 ladders, or 2 ladders at least. This thing I brought to practice with. I'm gonna see if I'm any good with it. Always bring 2 ladders. If this one gets wet, you got an extra one. I keep them in 2 different pockets in my bag. A shovel. When you're overnighting, you're gonna want to dig a hole at some point. Prime example. All right. 2 compasses. Yes, 2 compasses. Don't know why. 2 of them. There is an old saying out here, you know, survival, hiking, whatever. 2 is 1, 1 is none. It's true. It's a fact. Watch out, boy. Good dog. 3. 1, 2, 3 flashlights. All different flashlights. For my belt, for my head, for camp. This one won't leave camp. This one will come with me everywhere. This one, if I remember to put it on. Toilet paper. Once again, you are most definitely gonna have to dig a hole, if you know what I'm saying. Toothpaste, because I'm not a scumbag. This compact saw. It's amazing. It weighs nothing and it produces lots of firewood. My hatchet, of course, something to read and write, bug spray. Water, coffee, the dog. Hope it's kind of helpful. I gotta say, I don't like the looks of this. All that can go away. He's not gonna be happy. He's not gonna be happy if it rains. He's already kind of upset we're out here. He's old. Starting to drizzle a little bit. So I'm gonna try to get a fire going and eat dinner first before, just in case it dumps on us. Well, I'm kind of stuck now. Pretty cool though, you know? I just hope there's no severe lightning. Other than that, I think we'll be just fine. All right, it rained for about an hour and a half there. Stuck in that tent for a while. And I gotta tell you, it is damn near impossible not to fall asleep in a tent while it's raining. Impossible. But it's cold. It's not that I want a fire. I need a fire. And now the challenging part is everything's wet. Everything's wet. We have to get inside of things, I think. I'm going to put you down for a bit because I don't want to get you wet. If you get wet, then my baby mama can't call me and yell at me. Okay. So it took me almost an hour to get this fire going. Everything's wet. Even the dry wood's wet. Check it out. Got my food cooking. Pretty simple this time, I know. I just didn't want to go to the store. And then I got a Gatorade. And then for dessert, we got Skittles. That's right. You always got to bring sugar out here. Ooh. I don't want to have too big of a fire. That right there is probably all I'm gonna burn. It's not burning very well. But I got hot food and a phenomenal view. We're gonna eat, shut the camera down. Maybe I'll turn you back on when the sun starts to set. I'm very alone out here. I come out here 4 or 5 times a year. Have been for about 10 years now. And I've never once seen anybody out here. That means everything is amplified. The dangers, right? Twist an ankle, fucked. Run out of batteries, you're in trouble. Just gotta keep the fire low, the pistol close. Me and the dog keep an eye on each other. Everything will be alright. But look at this. I don't see many clouds above us. Hopefully we get some stars tonight. My boots are drying. The fire's warm. And the bats are buzzing. Pretty nice night. I must say, what a wonderful place to camp. All cleaned up. All right, check it out. Camp's all clean. Dog's ready to go. We're packed up and the sun is shining. I gotta say, even though I was cold and up most of the night, it rained, thunder. There's awesome thunder. I gotta give this place a 9 out of 9 stars. Highly recommend it. You'll see my review on Yelp.